We're not recording, are we?
Yes, it's recording. Hello, hello. So today is the day after the Gran Fondo. So I'm here with Anthony from Kudos Cycling. So how are you feeling today after the ride?
A little bit jaded. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
How are the legs?
Legs feel good actually. Feel strong.
That's good. I slept pretty well. But yeah, legs are a little. I can feel it a little bit today. And so we just wanted to kind of have a little chat about how it all went, about the Sportif, and because I don't know whether I mentioned this in the previous two videos, but the Sportif is the first Gran Fondo in the area, isn't it, in Switzerland, of that type, the first Gran Fondo. Gran
Fondo Valais, yes.
So that's quite exciting. So it was the first ever one. It went really well. It was really well organised. I think it was about 1,500 people that did it.
I think maybe one that, yeah, more. Yeah.
So even though there was a lot of people, it didn't feel like, it wasn't like the Etap, we both did the Etap, it wasn't like that many people. So like on some of the climbs I was like on my own for quite a bit of it, so that was quite nice. And one of the things that I noticed actually on the ride was, as with all Sportifs, there just aren't many women doing it. I think it's around 10%, so there weren't actually that many women. And one of the kind of features of your company is that you offer like alpine training, and specifically women's alpine training, don't you? So tell us about that.
It's really to give women the opportunity to gain confidence of climbing and descending, and to give them the tools so that they can have the confidence to tackle these events. Because I mean, like you said, Katie, I mean the numbers of women doing it aren't as high as they probably should be, and I think there's no reason why the numbers shouldn't be higher. So we're offering women only training camps, and yeah, just to sort of give you the skills to get out there and try them and enjoy them. Everyone always is intimidated by the distances or the amount of climbing, or you know, this sort of they don't think they can do it. When I mean, Kate is a good example of just set your mind to it and you sort of get out there and you can do it.
It was so much fun though, wasn't it?
Was when I finished.
Yeah, afterwards you're like, yes! But it was, the climbs were just incredible. They were so long, and just, in my actual video I was like, they're relentless. They were just long climbs, weren't they? Just really long climbs, like beautiful, spectacular views.
Yeah, I'm pretty blessed with the amazing scenery you can see behind us. But yeah, the mountains, and you sort of always got the mountains in view. So yeah, really, the Valais in Switzerland's sort of unique in some respects because of the sort of variety of terrain. So special area for cycling in.
It is spectacular. I was saying before, I feel like in comparison to the French Alps, I feel like this is a much kind of a grander scale. Like it just seems, I don't know, just like a lot bigger almost. The roads are quieter because there's not as many cyclists or as people here, but the actual views, and you've seen from my videos, it just seems a lot bigger and a lot more, almost more spectacular, I would say. So yeah, if you ever fancy coming out.
Well, not to mention the vineyards.
Oh god, he's obsessed with these vineyards. Go on for it, go on, tell us about the vineyards.
Well, I think it's quite a unique cycling terrain, because you can start off in the valley floor, cycling through the vineyards, and then as you start to climb out the vineyards, you go through the meadows and the forests, and then over the alpine cols. So, and
then snack on an apple or an apricot at the end of your ride.
As long as you don't get caught. But yeah, it's just it's just the variety of terrain, because I think people's perceptions of sort of alpine cycling or cycling in the Alps is that you just have to go up. I mean, obviously you do, but I think here it's sort of unique in that it's undulating. You've got the undulating vineyards, or the steep climbs if you want, or you've got the River Rhone which you can cycle along. So yeah, just loads of options for all kinds of different cyclists.
Well, I've really enjoyed this day, so I'm going to leave all the links to different websites and Anthony's company, which is Kudos Alpine Cycle Training. I'll leave a link to that below, and yeah, have a quick look, and I'll leave a link as well if you want to look at the Sportif for next year. So I'll do that. So thank you so much for your time. Thanks for having me over.
Katie, yeah.
Appreciate it.
It's really fantastic. Well done again.
Oh, you too.
Kudos to you.
Oh. I love the fun. Kudos. Amazing.
Cheesy finish.